Hello everyone, welcome to the world of data structures. Our today's topic is applications of stack. In this application of stack, students, we are going to learn about the evaluation of postfix expression. Hi, this is our instructor Janice Shah. So let's begin with the outlines. Students, there are various type of application of stack. If you remember that you can convert infix expression into postfix by using stack. Even you can convert infix to prefix by using stack. But over here today we are going to learn about that how can we convert or how can we evaluate our postfix expression. We'll talk about how it works as well as the example of evaluation of the postfix expression. So let's take a look at it. So here students, there are various applications of stack like infix to prefix, infix to postfix, evaluation of the postfix expression, then binary to decimal. You can convert your binary number to decimal by using stack. Then you can do reverse of the string, okay, as well as recursion. Recursion is nothing but it's an application of the stack. We are going to see like GCD, factorial, and Tower of Hanoi in our upcoming lectures, which are the application of stack. Next, we are going to see the language expression evaluation. So let's start with our very first application, that is known as evaluation of postfix expression. Students, what we are going to do over here, we first need to push all operands in the stack. So right now in the expression, students, we have operator and operands. If I am talking about 2 plus 3 minus 4, if I am talking about 2 plus 3 minus 4, then 2, 3, 4, all three are operands, plus and minus are operator. You already know about it, okay? So what are the operands? What are the variables we have in the expression are known as operands, and operators like plus, minus, division, star, anything else. Okay, so what is going to be happen over here, we first need to push operands. So whenever you found the operands, just push inside the stack. Second step, when the operator comes, students, you need to pop last inserted operands, apply the operation over there, whatever the operation according to the operator you just need to perform on the operands, get the value, get the answer, and then push it inside the stack again. Okay, what do you need to do? First you just need to push the operands inside the stack. Whenever you find the operator, okay, then apply the pop last inserted two operands, then apply the operation on it. Whatever the answer you get from it, just push answer again inside the stack until and unless your stack become empty or your input character string becomes empty. Fine. So this is what you can need to do. So students, you just all need to do repeat these steps again and again until and unless your expression is getting evaluated. So let me show you how you can do this. So this is the very first example, students. You can see like 6, 3, 6 plus 5 star 9 division minus. Okay, we have this. So what do we need to do over here? We just need to make some 4 to 5 columns over here. So here are right. First we have the expression, or we can say the elements. We just need to take one by one character element from the expression. Okay, and then we have OP1, OP2. Students, OP1 and OP2 are known as the operands. Whatever the operands you popped out from the stack, you just need to put over here. Then we have the answer with us, and the last one is a stack. Let me show you how to do this. So let me take the very first character. It is element is 6. So here for 6, students, 6 is operator or operands. Obviously it's operands. So what you need to do, we just need to push inside the stack. Whenever you find operand in this expression, just push inside the stack. Okay, so I'm just doing the same. So we have the 6 with us, push inside the stack. Next we have 3 with us, push inside the stack. So now my stack becomes 6 comma 3. My stack becomes 6 comma 3. So my top pointer is pointing at 3 because 3 is the last inserted element. Fine. Now next we have again 6 with our students. So it becomes 6 3 6. Okay. So each and every character I am going to written over here, and according to it I'll perform the operation in the stack. Okay. So what happens in the next, students? We have with us plus. See, the operator comes. Operator comes. So what to do with the operator, students? Whenever you find the operator, you just need to pop out two operands from the stack. Okay. So I'm going to perform the first pop operation. I'll get 6 and then I'll get 3. So always remember, your first popped out element will set in the OP2 and the second popped out element is set in the OP1. Again repeating this, your first popped out element is set in the OP2, your second popped out element is set in the OP1. So students, here how we'll get this? See, this is my 3, this is my 6, because I need to pop two elements. Now what remains in the stack? The first 6 which we have inserted first. So the stack is with 6. Now you just need to apply operation over here. 3 6. How to apply? OP1 operator OP2. Operand 1, that is 3. Next we have 6 and we have plus in between of that. So 6 plus 3. 3 plus 6 becomes 9, students. So just we get the answer 9. Push this answer in the stack. So right now we have 6 comma 9 in the stack with us. Fine. Now let's check out the next one. Next we have, students, 5 with us. So what to do? It's a operand. So don't think much, just push inside the stack. So in stack we have 6 9 5. Next, students, we have star with us. Okay, so what to do with the star? You just need to pop two operands. Okay, see, 9 will set in the operand 1 and 5 is set in the operand 2. So here is 9 and 5. The operation is star, that means multiplication. So just to 9 into 5. 9 into 5 becomes 45 and it is push inside the stack again. So it becomes 6 comma 45. 6 comma 45. Fine. Now next we have 9. So 9 is a character which is our next element. So what we need to do is we just need to push inside the stack. Next, students, we have division with us. So just pop two operands. Okay, so first we have the 45. Okay, then we have the 9 in the operand 2, so it becomes 45 comma 9. So apply 45 divided by 9, that becomes 5 again. Okay, so just get the answer 5, push inside the stack, it becomes 6 comma 5. Now next we have minus. I think this is the last. Yes, it's a last operator. Okay, so it's the last operand with us. Even sorry, it's the last element with us. Okay, so now just apply the operation. So first we get 6, then we get 5. So it apply the operation over there. It is 6 minus 5 becomes 1. Students, that is your answer. Your answer is 1. See, right now my stack becomes empty, as well as my character input string is also becomes empty. Fine. So such like this, students, you can evaluate your postfix expression. Let me show you the another example for this the same. Right now we have 3 1 2, 3 comma 1 comma 2, then plus minus 2 4 1, then division plus star dollar 3 plus. Okay, so we have our whole input data elements. So let's begin with the table. Here it is my table. Ready? Element OP1, OP2, answer, and the last column is the stack. First data is 3, push 3. Next one B1, push 1. Students, next we have 2, so push 2 over there. So stack becomes 3 1 2. Now what we get? We get plus. So operator comes, pop two operands over there. So first we get 1 in OP1, 2 in OP2. Actually, during the pop operation, students, first we popped out 2, but we popped 2 and set into the OP2. We get 1, then set into OP1. Okay, so it goes like this: 1, 2, apply the operation, 1 plus 2 becomes 3, push the answer inside the stack again, it becomes 3, 3. Now, what the next? Students, next we have minus with us. So again operator it is, so just pop both 3, it becomes 3, 3, 3 minus 3, answer is 0. What we left? Okay, we still have the input string, so just continue this step and push answer inside the stack again. Now, next we have 2 with us. Next we have 2. Do not forget to write 0 over there. Okay, I just missed it, but you should not forget to write 0 in the answer column. Okay, fine. Students, next we have 2 with us. So just push inside the stack, so it becomes 0, 2. Next we have 4 with us. It becomes 0, 2, 4. Next we have 1 with us. It becomes 0, 2, 4, 1. Right now my top pointer is pointing at 1. Okay, I just clearing it. Now the next one is we have division with us. So division, pop again 2 elements. First OP1 contains 4, OP2 contains 1. 4 divided by 1, answer is the same. Answer is 4. So just push the answer again in the stack. So it becomes 2, 0, 2, 4. Now what next? Next we have plus with us. So again pop 2 different elements. They are 2, 4. 2 plus 4 becomes 6. Okay, so 6 and just add it into a stack again. So now stack contains 2, 6. Students, next we have star with us. So again just pop 2 element, that is 0, 6. 0 into 6 become anything, multiply by 0 is 0. So answer is 0. So don't worry if you get such like this. Okay, you are not wrong. You are just performing the operations as per the instruction given by in the infix string. Okay, so here the answer is 0. Just push inside the stack. Now next we have 1, 0, 1 pushed inside the stack. I'm just going to repeat this step so you will get the idea what we have. The last we have students 1, so 0, 1 it becomes the inside the stack. Now in the next step students we have dollar with us. Dollar with us. So what happens over here? With the dollar it becomes 0, 1. So dollar shows the exponential operator. Either you get dollar arrow caret. Either you get dollar arrow caret. Students, all three are exponential operator. That means 2 raised to 3, x raised to y. Same like that here. 0 raised to 1 becomes 1. Sorry, repeat. 0 raised to 1 becomes 0. So your answer is 0. Stack contains again 0. The next is 3 with us. So 0, 3. Next we have the plus. This is the last element. Okay. So students, we just need to pop both elements from the stack. They are 0, 3. So 0 plus 3 becomes 3. Now check. Stack is empty. Okay. Is there any character left in your input string? Yes or no? No. That means all things are clear. So answer is 3. This is your final answer after evaluating your postfix expression. So isn't it easy? What you need to do, you just need to push your operands. Whenever you find the operator, take your operands, apply the operation, get the answer, push the answer again into the stack, and just repeating the steps. Okay. So this is all about the evaluation of the postfix expression, students. If you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.